Let's talk about barbershop etiquette. The things that I'm about to mention are absolutely off limits. Do you see this area right here outside of this armrest? This is called the arm-free zone. Your arm should not be hanging off any portion of this armrest. Unacceptable, unacceptable. And when I'm turning the chair, your arm needs to go on the inside. I'm already close up on the chair. Come on now, don't make it awkward. If a barber positions your head in a certain way, leave it there. They did it for a reason. Hold your head up for me. No, hold your head up. The more you cooperate, the better your haircut will turn out. When the barber is trying to shave up under your neck and then ask you to tilt your neck back, hey, can you tilt your neck back for me? Can you tilt it back a little bit more? Talking when your barber is trying to line up your mustache. Hold on one second. And last, but certainly not least, why are you looking me in my eyes when I'm trying to line you up? Close your eyes or just look away. Don't shoot me, I'm just a messenger. It just makes for a better overall experience.